I think siguro more than a little bit short of half nakauwi na. Medyo nakulit kanina. We foresaw na itong hapon medyo magulan na. So we wanted to do it in the morning to lunch. Which I think is good. Medyo mainit na. Pero we were just talking about it. Sabi ko, ito mamaya. Anyway, this came about, this came about with the distinguished gentleman's ride. Itong distinguished gentleman's ride, it's an international ride for classic bikes, particularly Ion Vespa. Usually these are the gear type. As a matter of fact, Sir Gil, kanina lang naka-small frame. And sabi ko na sa small frame. So, it's also nice that even if he has a gear bike, he was still able to join us. So, last year we talked about putting up something similar to a distinguished gentleman's ride. Kasi in EGR, actually, it's for prostate cancer. And you're supposed to donate. And then the money that is generated from that is given for the research and whatever they want to do for the cure of prostate cancer. Hindi tayo kasama when I noticed Sir
pero manibenta pa rin ako. Kasi tuloy ang repair.
Medyo nahirapan ito kung tayo kanina. So, it's nice that we have an opportunity to dress up and then nakakatuwa kanina as we went around the city of Marikina, people would stop and notice us. Diba? Unfortunately, medyo nagkaroon ng konting gas-gas, but it's a sticker and nothing, you know, about it. Take care of it. As a matter of fact, Raymond, baka na pabibili natin sa gano'n na orange. Humingi kami ng donation ng isang gano'n na pagpalit lang. It's a little big on it's very nice to see you guys all dressed up. Binihira, kanina tayo sa church. Nung Marso, please tayo going to attend the wedding business. So hopefully this year we'll do it again. It's a very nice opportunity to see you guys. Minsan hindi ako nakasama sa mga rides because alam mo na bata ako. Medyo aches and pains. But it's nice to go around with you and see you guys again. We'll do it again next year. By the way, wala si Bonnie, Chu, at saka si isa natin, si Louie. We would like to welcome Marikina's BCS representative, and of course we're all expecting our pasalubos. So, and the message thank you, and I guess you guys represented us well. And sana kalaban din ang babalik sa dami ng pictures mo din sa businesses and but it's nice that we are best represented by you guys. You did a very good job. Thank you. Yun lang.
Thank you. Ito, special request na. Si Sir Emil, explain niya kung bakit hindi tayo kasama sa modern, ba't hindi kasama sa DGR. Yung mga decamera lang dapat sinasama nila. Sir Emil, take it away.
Ang kasi organizer ipag sila mo rules na metal frame classes rules. Kaya sinusunod lang natin based on sa guidelines ng organizer. Kaya actually, after ng parade, merong event.
Sige tayo.
Na all the bike na after ng parade lang para makasama pa rin. Yung parade lang yung guidelines nila. Pang ano na, pang peak year na pagsahin. Talagang ang guidelines nila yung metal frame na classic. Kaya best pa rin dahil ano tayo modern. Kailangan lang natin sundin yung Senate rules. Kasi ang nagsaset hindi naman sa Pilipinas, international organizer. So, kaysa sumali tayo, pinasan pa yung makikibukan. So, actually, tama lang na yung mga kaya parang kumahan dahil mga DTI. Kasi kung basahin natin yung rulings, galing sa akin, galing mismo sa organizer, event na yan every year, event. So I think, itong ginagawa rin natin, hindi na ito, kaya nandito rin ako, kung ginamit ko, yung follow-up class, protesting ko kasi lupa. Yun lang po.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wala na, no? Bago daw na yung may parapol daw yung presidente ng Robinson Island.
Payo.
Rob, may parapol yun. Siya ang presidente ng Robinson Island. Presidente rin niya ng SUD. Ha? Meron eh.
Wala sila. Wala silang presidente. Si Mimi lang.
Ano ba eh?
Ay, si Sir po yung president ng thank you po sa BCN for allowing us to be part of your event today. May mga palapon po kami pinag-refer lang ni Anne.
Bahay.
Ano meron siya? Manual.
Gumingap tayo.
Ang buwan nito.
Yung pangalan niya. Pangalan niya. Passport.
hindi yung pero siya
Mag-raffle muna ako.
May kubaw pa yung
Sa letrang
Ay, si Sir Ron na Si Sir Ron na muna.
sa letrang